Hey folks, I'm Adam from 911 Studios, and today we've got a tremendous product for you. Right here, folks, this is a neck and jaw exerciser ball. I've got it sitting in some very hot water, and the way I soften this thing up so I can use it is I take it out of hot water, put it in cooler water just to where it doesn't scald you. Just like doing a mouth guard, then you drop this thing in your mouth, check to make sure it's cool enough. And it's a tremendous product. There's a lot of different things you can do with it, but the intent is to form your jawline and your neck. Now, a lot of people have told me, Adam, your jaw and neck just look better over the years. That's because of products like this, folks. You need that little bit of muscle in here to give you that more formed jaw. It's great for men or for women. And yeah, just bite down. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Now, first off, it does come with kind of a carrying string to where you can carry it around, that sort of thing, around your neck and that. It has a little user's manual, and I'm going to tell you exactly what it says. It says instructions for use. Take the exerciser out and remove the two, it's got some plastic strips in it. Then to soften, put the exerciser ball into about 80 Celsius water, 176, for about 30 seconds and take it out of the water, tap on it to remove the excess water. Now what I did is I just cooled it off real quick because you don't want it too hot. That's just my own preference. And then it says for shaping, place the exerciser ball into your mouth and put your teeth in the middle biting strips. Bite hard for about 10 seconds and until the thing forms. So really awesome, very similar to forming a mouth guard. It will form around your teeth. And it says for exercises, exercise about 20 minutes totally in one day. You can exercise multiple times according to yourself. So it's very simple, just kind of biting down using these jaw muscles. Because let's face it, muscles get larger, get more defined, better looking with exercise. And exercising your jaw is going to be important to having a good look and to just kind of maybe be more masculine, more feminine, more defined looking. Get rid of that double chin. If you're having neck issues, which you can see I don't have any neck issues, this is an important part of your daily routine. It's something you can do in the car, on the way to work, watching TV. Say you're watching the latest episode of Survivor, which I'm apparently now watching Survivor season 28. It's pretty amazing. Don't give me any spoilers in the comments. But you can just sit there, and I did this last night while watching TV. And frankly, you can just watch it during if you're binge watching The Office is 23 minutes. So throw this in after the opening credits and take it out right before the end of the episode. You got your 20 minutes in. It's amazing, and it will allow you to really exercise your jaw and improve your neckline. So it says it's made of 100% food-grade silicone, exercising 4 groups a day, 5 minutes each group. So that's a great way to do it too, to alleviate potential for jaw fatigue, is just do it for 5 minutes at a time. You just do it according to your own schedule. I would recommend an easy way to do it is if you're watching TV, throw it in whenever you see a commercial. Comfort, the product curve and ergonomic design fits mouths, easy to use. You can bite anytime and anywhere. Lines tighten your face and slow down aging. I'm in my 40s, folks. I hope I don't look it. It's because I've been trying to slow down that aging. Efficiency, after several weeks, you will see a significantly reduced double chin. Improvement, exercise regularly, remove those necklines, redness, and facial puffiness, if you have any of those things. Enhancement, there are 3 levels to choose from. The beginners are yellow. This is a 30 pounds of pressure ball. There's a blue one that's 40 pounds, and there's a gray one, which is 50 pounds of pressure. Product contains a storage box for convenience as well. So go ahead and pick this up for yourself. It's an amazing product. You won't be disappointed. I'm Adam from 911. Get one for yourself. You won't be disappointed. It's an amazing product. Thanks for watching, and say it with me. Adios, amigos.